Hello, welcome to Marcelle's gluten-free bakery. We'll remake gluten-free easy. Today we're going to be making artisan bagels. Beside the bag, you're also going to need some eggs, oil, water, a little bit of flour for dusting. I recommend Marcelle's flour blend, but you can use any flour that you have at home. Let's get to it. Add your eggs to a bowl. Your oil, your warm water, give that a little stir. Now you're going to add your flour blend mix. It's very important that you sift it. You want to make sure that all the ingredients are incorporated together to get the perfect product. There's nothing better than a hot bagel right out of the oven. It's delicious. Not many people can say that they can do that, but it's really easy, and I'm going to show you how. So once you have that in there, you're just going to mix and stir to combine it. Notice I'm doing it by hand. If you have a mixer, perfect, use it. If not, this is perfect also. It doesn't take a lot to get it to come together. Perfect. My dough is starting to come together now, so I can take it out of the bowl and transfer it to a dusted flour surface. It's very important you knead the dough until you get a nice smooth consistency. You don't want lines and cracks, because when you cook that, the bread will just separate. It's not very hard, it's very easy. You just want to work the dough until it's really nice and smooth and pliable. You want something that looks like this, nice and smooth. Dust your counter again. Dust your rolling pin. Roll the dough out till it's an inch thick. Once you have it about the right size, you just take your bagel cutter, cut through, pop out the center, pop out the circle. Place it on your lined cookie sheet, just like that. Roll the dough back together, make another bagel. If you don't like plain bagels, you can always flavor them. Throw some cheese and onion in there, cinnamon raisin, whatever you like. With this mix, you should get about 5 bagels, depending on how thick you make them, how thin you make them, or how big you make them. If you don't want to use all the bagels at one time, you can always freeze the raw dough. Pull it out when you're going to use it. Put it into the boiling water, and then cook it in a preheated oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. Then you can have a hot bagel whenever you want.
So what do you got to do with those bagels? You got to put them in the fridge?
Yes, so you need to chill your bagels for a good 20 minutes before you put them in the boiling water. You want to make sure that the dough is set. And for those of you that don't have a bagel cutter, once you have your bagel dough mixed up, just grab a glass, a mug, anything you have is a circle, cut through, poke a hole in the center. There you have a bagel. Once your bagels have chilled for 20 minutes and your pot of salted water comes to a boil, you're going to carefully place them in there for a minute and a half. From there, they go into the oven at 350 degrees for 25 minutes. So after a minute and a half, you're going to carefully take your bagels out, place them on a lined cookie sheet, and then pop them right in your oven. Your bagels should come out looking like this. It's that easy. Perfect. Once it cools down, you can go ahead and cut your bagel. Look at that, just like a bagel should be. It's that easy.